Hi learners, welcome to Softdigix Online Class Academy. You all know, Python is one of the best and famous programming language today. In this tutorial, we will learn basics of Python. Let's start our session now. First, we will see the topics about Python, features of Python, how to install Python, and various execution modes of Python programs. First, we will learn what is Python. Python is the general-purpose high-level programming language and also Python is the scripting language. Now, let us discuss why Python is so famous today. Because Python has following unique features. First, it is open source. No need to worry about license. Everyone can access easily to develop the applications. Second, Python is processed at runtime by the interpreter. We can do line-by-line execution. Next, Python is interactive language. You can use a Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. And Python is very easy and simple to learn. Python is a great language for the beginner-level programmers. It has vast libraries to use mathematical, science, data science and robotics fields. Now, let us see who found this language. Guido van Rossum is a Dutch programmer, best known as the creator of the Python programming language in the late 1980s. He was also reading the published scripts from Monty Python's Flying Circus, a BBC comedy series, from the 1970s. Van Rossum thought he needed a name that was short, unique, so he decided to call the language Python. And also, in 1999, Van Rossum submitted a funding proposal to DARPA called Computer Programming for Everybody, in which he further defined goals of the Python. In this session, we will see how to install Python in our system. To install Python, we will do the following steps. First, go to website python.org. Next, click Download and install latest version from Python 3.0. Then open the folder to run and check the checkbox to add Python to path. Kindly follow our next demo video to install Python. Once completed our installation, now we are ready to do Python programs. First, we need to open Python IDE to do coding. For single line of code, we can execute in Python prompt directly. Otherwise, we will use new file to open editor to run more than one line of code. We need to press run module or press F5 for execution. Next session, we will see basic Python programming concepts. Thank you all.